Have you ever wondered how professional traders know whatever to buy or sell? One of the most popular tools used by institutions and day traders, it's called VWAP or Volume Weighted Average Price. Today, I'll show you how to use VWAP to find high probability trading opportunity. What is VWAP? VWAP stands for Volume Weighted Average Price. Think of VWAP as the average price where most of the trading volume happen during the day. Institutions often use VWAP to measure whenever they are buying at a good price or selling at a good price. When the market is above VWAP, buyers generally have control. When the market is below VWAP, sellers generally have control. VWAP resets every trading day, making it perfect for a day trader like me. How to read VWAP? There are three basic situations. Number 1. Price above VWAP. This suggests bullish momentum and potential buying opportunities. Number 2. Price below VWAP. This suggests bearish momentum and potential selling opportunities. And last is price moving sideways around VWAP. This usually indicates a choppy market and many traders choose to wait for a clearer direction. In order to be effective of using VWAP as your strategy or your tools, first, traders wait for the price to move above the VWAP. This shows that buyers are becoming stronger. Next, they wait for a pullback towards a VWAP line. Instead of chasing the market, they allow the price to return to the better entry area. When bullish candles appear and confirm buyer strength, traders may enter a buy position. Their stop loss is usually placed below the recent swing low, while their profit target is based on a favorable risk-to-reward ratio such as 1:2 or 1/3. Now, let's discuss the selling opportunity. When the market is trading below VWAP, traders look for selling opportunity. They wait for the price to retrace back towards VWAP and then watch for bearish confirmation. If sellers continue to show strength, traders may enter a sell position. Their stop loss is often placed above the recent swing high, while their target follows a proper risk management plan. One of the important things to remember is that VWAP works best in trading market. During choppy or sideways condition, the price may move above and below VWAP frequently, creating a false signal. Because of this, many experienced traders avoid trading when the market lacks a clear direction. VWAP should not be used alone. Many traders combine it with market structure like support and resistance, moving average, or price action analysis to improve the quality of their trades. Risk management is one of the most important streams in the market. No strategy has 100% win rate. Even the best trader experience losses. Therefore, always use a stop loss and manage your risk carefully and avoid raising more than you can afford to lose. To conclude, VWAP is a valuable tool that helps traders identify whether the buyer or seller are controlling the market. Above VWAP generally favor buyers, so you should take a long position, while below VWAP generally favors sellers, so you should take a short position. By combining a VWAP with proper analysis and disciplined risk management, traders can improve their decision making, not wins and not lose, and also for their trading performance. Now, thank you for listening, and I hope this introduction of VWAP strategy helped you on your trading journey. Goodbye, guys.